Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy shrimp and veggie fried rice recipe using common ingredients you can find in your pantry. This video is kindly sponsored by B&G Foods. B&G Foods own some of the most iconic pantry staples including Green Giant, Spice Islands, Le Sueur, and many more. I'm going to leave their full brand list in the description box. Today I'm using a few of their brand products that I already have in my pantry to put together this recipe. And thank you so much to B&G for covering all the expenses and effort put into creating this video. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I have my wok heated up over medium-high heat. Into that I'm going to add some olive oil. Since this is a stir-fry recipe, you want to cook with high heat and you have to cook very fast. Once the oil gets very hot, I'm going to dump in some shrimp. Next, you're going to season the shrimp with salt and pepper. Then cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes. The shrimp will be fully cooked through once they turn pink. Go ahead and transfer them onto a separate plate. Next, I'm going to add some more oil into my wok, then crack in some eggs. I'm going to scramble my eggs for about a minute. Once they're nice and scrambled, I'm going to add them to my shrimp, then set aside for later. Next, I'm going to heat up some more oil in my wok. I'm going to mince an onion and toss it into my wok. I'm going to cook the onions for 1 minute. While the onions are cooking, I'm going to mince up some garlic and toss them in with the onion. I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 seconds or until the garlic begins to get fragrant. Then I'm going to add some vegetables from my pantry by B&G Foods. I have some Green Giant vegetable blend going in. I am also adding Le Sueur sweet peas, and this is my favorite brand by the way. They make the best sweet peas out there. I'm going to season the veggies with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then I'm going to cook them for about 30 seconds. The veggies are already cooked, so you don't need to cook them for too long. Alright, once the veggies have cooked, you're going to add some rice. I already cooked my rice with some chicken broth to give it a little bit of flavor. Then I chilled it in the fridge for 1 hour. I am also going to add my cooked shrimp and scrambled eggs and some soy sauce. Go ahead and mix everything together. I want to add some spices from B&G Foods to bump up the flavor. So I'm adding ground ginger by Spice Islands. Ginger is always good for stir-fried recipes. And since I couldn't go to the store to get fresh chives, I just grabbed dried chives from my pantry, also by Spice Islands. Go ahead and toss everything together and that's it you guys, we are done. Very simple, easy recipe. All the ingredients I use here are common ingredients you can find in your pantry. If you don't have the shrimp, you can always use chicken. I really love this pantry fried rice recipe. It's so good. As a mom, this is my go-to recipe for busy days and my kids really love this. If you guys would like to make this recipe, don't forget to check out the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.